guys go comedy too.
So, new epic rap battle dropped. It's J.R.R.Martin and J.R.R.Tolkein. And I mean, it's gonna be epic. One wrote Game of Thrones, A Song of Fire and Ice. The show is Game of Thrones. The other one wrote Word of the Rings and Hobbit.
A fair battle.
So, let's see.
Let's see.
Shut up, phone.
He's looking great.
R.R.Tolkein! Brace yourselves! Gather up your trolls and your soldier elves! And your X and your orcs and your wars and your stings, your doors and clam drains! Cause there's a new one in your every lord in the ring! You're falling up with every character I've written!
Just now.
And they're like, good guys survive! You can tell what's gonna happen, a page and age 5! You're all seeing how to find some sex in your movie, yeah! Cast a couple movies!
Oh.
Queens, dragons, dwarves, horses, fortresses, magic and swords. You must be my horse shit, you uninspired.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Too shy of rock. In both fields you got nothing to say. I'm number 1 and 2. You're under 50 shades of gray. I got the pros of a pro. Your shit's so wrong. You're a pirate. Even stole my arm.
I give it that one.
Yeah.
See, yes, it's true to life for characters that die randomly. But newsflash, shadows don't fantasy. It's meant to be like realistic. You might have a fantasy. I got you, you just leave check to what you're doing on these beats. I'll cut you like my teeth on Beauty and the Beast. Ain't too deep, Professor Tweedpan. We don't need the backstory on every fucking tree. I want to in the trenches of the sun. You locked your Santa Claus ass through Vietnam. And it's hard for me to take criticism on clothes. From a dude who said I'm raving to take out to his phone. You fat jokes are worse than you blank smoke. My show's the highest thing on HBO. And though you're a dirty little image and I may be dirty, but you got a hairy foot fetish. The names of your characters suck. You got bumpers and bumpers and brand new butts. I got a second breakfast for all them goofy clubs. Lift up my guts and teabagging's my nuts. Yes, Lewis and I were just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing. It's a backstory on my box office and brilliance. Got my children making millions off my silver brilliance. And I'm more rock and roll than you ever been. Don't believe me? Ask that Japanese. You can't reach this, but see I'm too towering. Every time I'm out, I return to the cave. Oh, whoa. Hold there.
Wait.
You just saw rock.
So, who won?
George,
J.R.R.Martin. Why?
for a couple of things. The food fetish joke. The thing that maybe the thing with the boobs.
To show more boobs.
To
Yes.
show more boobs, yeah.
And I think George won also, but the Tolkien have some jokes who didn't stick with me. I mean, let's just.
Nuts.
They were not. Let's see.
He's so ugly.
One of these jokes. This joke.
I was just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing.
In the 50 Shades of Grey joke. I mean,
The fish
come on.
is a joke there.
It was, so I think George was stronger and more funnier. The joke with the food fetish was awesome.
It was awesome.
To show more boobies was awesome. And the part with what was it? With the stupid names of the characters.
Yeah,
I
I
agree
didn't think of
because
that.
some names of in the Hobbit are stupid. I mean the dwarves. I don't remember any of them. Beamfor, Boomfkur,
Boombi.
Boombeef.
Never mind.
Never mind.
What?
So we both think that George won. Agreed. So if you wanna check it out, the original video of the rap battle, it will be in the description. Go check it out. It's amazing, as you can see. And if you want something to suggest for us to react,
no matter
no matter what,
it is, yeah.
suggest in the comments. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.